let's just get started. Some things are changing around here. These past few months have been really intense. We've been doing some soul searching, trying to figure out what we truly want out of life. It's been a journey of highs and lows, moments of clarity mixed with uncertainty. I love where I'm at right now. Great job, beautiful views, people around me are amazing, my kids are thriving, and I feel like this sense of comfort has come from years of putting down roots and making this place home. But lately, I've been feeling this tug, this longing for something more. It's like my heart is telling me there's another adventure waiting just beyond the horizon. I mean, I want to stay here, nurture my garden, watch my plants thrive in this warm, familiar environment. It's safe here. But then I think about all those dreams I've tucked away, the aspirations that whisper to me in quiet moments. Can I really achieve everything I want if I stay here? And you know, it's not just about me anymore. We want the best opportunities for our kids too. I want them to grow in a place where they can spread their wings, explore new things, and chase after their own dreams. It's scary to think about leaving, you know? It's like uprooting that plant that's been so content in its pot. When you repot it, there's that moment of chaos. Roots tangled, leaves wilting. It's heartbreaking to see something you've cared for struggle to adjust. But deep down, I know it's necessary. It's like I've outgrown this pot, this place. If I want to grow, really spread my roots, and reach for those dreams, I have to take that leap. It's terrifying to leave behind what's comfortable, what's known. Yet staying here, ignoring that call for something more, feels like I'm holding myself back. Change is hard, and this decision feels like I'm tearing a piece of myself away. But I also know that just like that plant, with a bit of care and patience, we will bloom again. Maybe even stronger than before. It's like those growing pains. They hurt, they're uncomfortable, but they also shape us into something resilient, something ready to thrive. So yeah, we're moving to a town about 8 hours away. We'll be closer to my family, and we might someday be able to move into that acreage we've been dreaming about. I'm emotional about this. But it's not just about moving, it's about embracing the uncertainty, facing the fear, and trusting that deep down, I know what's best for me and my family. Thanks for listening, friend. Have you ever felt like this? Like you're torn between staying safe and venturing into the unknown for the sake of a brighter future? I'll see you on the other side.